In this video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Vercel project. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can head over to vercel.com, click on this sign up option, and from in there you can head over and create an account. If you want to create an account and also a project at the same time, I recommend you to click on this start deploying option. Now, once you have done that, you should be able to sign in. So on my case, since I already have both, let me just proceed to log in. Now, here is what my dashboard looks like. Here is my team, and here are the projects that I have. So let's try to delete this one first. You can click onto the three dots, and as you can see, we don't have a delete option. So what we can do is we can click onto this settings option in order to see the settings of this particular project. From in there, under the general tab, you can proceed to scroll down. You see the transfer, and we have in here the delete option. So in there, it's actually labeled as red, and you can see the delete option. So let's proceed to click on this delete project. To confirm, you need to type these words, which is actually the name of your project. So on my case, let me proceed to actually type it right here. And do take note that this needs to have no typo, and you also need to type delete my project. So what this will do is this actually verifies if you actually want to delete it, and this prevents accidental deletions. So do take note that any deletion of your projects cannot be undone, so do take note of that as well. Once you're done, click on this delete project, and from in there, this will delete this project that we have. And just head over and then refresh your site by clicking on the refresh icon into your actual browser, and it should be able to reflect the actual changes that you have made. As you can see, it's been deleted. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.